Simon Harding from the France 24 Sports Desk is with us now. Simon, talk us through what's happened today with these indictments.
Hi, Catherine. Well, simply as you said it, what we've seen is that the Swiss prosecutors have taken the decision, finally, after a 3-year investigation, 2.5 years, to formally indict Jerome Valcke, who's the former Secretary General of FIFA, and Nasser Al-Khelaifi, who is the boss of beIN Sports and also of Paris Saint-Germain. But what we've found out today, and the changes from what happened before, is that certain of the charges, in particular towards the PSG boss, have been dropped. So the more serious charge of bribery was dropped, and this was due to what FIFA have called a amicable arrangement between both parties, an out-of-court settlement, whereas essentially Valcke was accused of passive corruption and criminal mismanagement. So Jerome Valcke is certainly a very disgraced figure in the world of football ever since he was kicked out of FIFA, forced to retire from FIFA, however you want to put it, in 2015. And the Frenchman since then has been very much absent from any of the proceedings. Whereas Nasser Al-Khelaifi, of course, who's come out after this meeting saying he's very satisfied with the outcome and that the charges against him of bribery were never true and there was nothing ever that was proven in fact or in law.
A lot of our viewers will meanwhile be wondering, are there any implications for Paris Saint-Germain, of course, a huge French football club?
Well, simply in accordance with this case and related to this case, the answer is no, because Nasser Al-Khelaifi was investigated in regards to his role as the head of beIN Sports Group and their acquiring of World Cup rights and Confederation Cups rights. Where it gets a little bit more iffy, if we might say, and this is a lot of speculation and a lot of the rumours that are going around and what people are saying, is that, well, if he's involved in this, and Paris Saint-Germain have been accused in the past of financial mishandling, of being able to acquire rights, of acquiring players with these with money in negative situations, then is this a platform, therefore, to investigate them further? And this especially comes after Manchester City, which is another club which has risen in the last decade or so with huge financial backing, was banned earlier this week or last week for 2 years from all European competitions. So on this report, there is nothing that PSG fans should be worried about, but in the general picture, there may be more investigations and more incentive to investigate further because of this.
All right.